So hello guys, my name is Athar Vishwas Gupta, and in today's video I would be telling you a program which would find the absolute value of a number. Let's get started by adding a title to our program, and I will be assigning the title absolute value finder. Now let's ask for an input. Now we have asked for an input, but how to process? That can be done by a variable assignment and then text window dot read number. And now we have the input is there and text window has also read. Now comes the part where it determines the absolute value. So for to make things easier, I'll assign a variable that is math abs, and to calculate the absolute value, the statement is math dot abs or abs, and in the bracket will put num1 as the program has to take out the absolute value of this number only. So now how will it give the output? First of all, let's we'll need to put a if then statement. So now it is giving us the output. Yeah, now we need to end this program by putting an end if. So now let's see if our program works. So I'll enter the number 45, and we know that the absolute value of 45 is 45 only. So let's see if this works. Our program is working. So thanks for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.